welcome back to my channel. If you're new, subscribe now and turn on notifications. So today I'm going to talk about Roman numerals. Roman numerals are a numeral system that originated in ancient Rome and remained the usual way of writing numbers throughout Europe well into the late Middle Ages. Numbers in this system are represented by combinations of letters from the Latin alphabet. Modern usage employs 7 symbols, each with a fixed integer value. Roman numeral. Any of the symbols used in a system of numerical notation based on the ancient Roman system. The symbols are I, V, X, L, C, T and M, standing respectively for 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000 in the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. So a list of Roman numerals, numbers 1 to 20. So I made this tables for better understanding. Number, Roman numeral, calculation. 0 in Roman numerals is not defined. 1 is I, 2 is II, 3 is III, 4 is IV, 5 is V, 6 is VI, 7 is VII, 8 is VIII, 8 is BIII and 9 is IX. 10 is X, 11 is XI, 12 is XII, 13 is XIII, 14 is XIV, 15 is XV, 16 is XVI, 17 is XVI, and 18 is XVIII, 19 is XIX, and 20 is XX. The calculation part. 1 is just 1, 2 is 1 plus 1, 3 is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 is 5 minus 1, 5 is 5, 6 is 5 plus 1, 7 is 5 plus 1 plus 1, and 8 is 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and 9 is 10 minus 1 because the I is before the X. 10 is X, so it's 10. 11 is 11 plus 1. 12 is 10 plus 1. 12 is 12 plus 1 plus 1. 13 is 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 14 is 10 minus 1 plus 5. 15 is 10 plus 5. 16 is 10 plus 5 plus 1. 17 is 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. 18 is 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 19 is 10 minus 1 plus 10. 20 is 10 plus 10. So I made another table so you guys will understand. It's numbers and Roman numerals. The Roman numerals. 1 is I, 5 is V, 10 is X, 100 is C, 500 is D, and 1000 is M. Rules of writing Roman numerals. Rule 1. When a smaller symbol is after a greater symbol, it's added. Rule number 2. If a symbol comes after itself, it's added. Rule number 3. When a smaller symbol appears before a greater symbol, it is subtracted. Rule number 4. The same symbol cannot be used more than 3 times in a row. Rule number 1. The Roman digits I, X and C are repeated up to 3 times in succession to form the numbers. A. We know the value of I is equal to 1, value of X is 10 and value of C is 100. B. The value of I, X and C are added as I equals 1, I is equal to 1 plus 1 equals 2, I is equal to I plus I equal to 3. x equals to 10. X equals to 10 plus 10 equals 20. X equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. C equals to 100. CC is equal to 100 plus 100 equals 200. C 100 plus 100 plus 100 equals 300. C. No digit is repeated in succession more than thrice. I, X and C cannot be repeated more than 3 times. The digits V, L and D are not repeated. The repetition of V, L and D is invalid in the formation of numbers. Rule 2. When a digit of a lower value is written to the right or after a digit of higher value, the value of all the digits are added as VI equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. VII equals to 5 plus 1 equals to 7. VIII equals to 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 8. Xi equals to 10 plus 1 equals 11. Xii equals to 10 plus 1 plus 1 equals 12. Xv equals to 10 plus 5 equals 15. Xvi equals to 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals 16. Lx equals to 50 plus 10 equals 60. Lxv equals to 50 plus 10 plus 5, 65. B. Value of smaller digits are also added as indicated in Rule 1. I equals 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. X equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. X equals to 10 plus 10 plus 20. Equals 20. Rule 3. When a digit of lower value is written to the left or before a digit of higher value, then the value of the lower digit is subtracted from the value of the digit of higher value. As IV equals to 5 minus 1 equals 4. Ix equals to 10 minus 1 equals 9. XL equals to 50 minus 10 equals 40. XIV equals to 10 plus 5 minus 1 equals 14. Xix equals 10 plus 10 minus 1 equals 19. Xix equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1 equals to 29. XLV equals 50 minus 10 plus 5, 45. CLIX equals to 100 plus 50 plus 10 minus 1 equals to 159. However, V is never written to the left of X. Rule number 4. If we have to write the numbers beyond 10, we should write the number 10 or groups of number 10 and then number 1 or 5 as the case may be. Then these numbers are used to change to corresponding Roman numerals as 12 equals 10 plus 2 equals 10 plus 1 equals 12. 20 equals 10 plus 10 equals to XX. 22 equals 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 equals to XXII. 26 equals to 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals to XXVI. 39 equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1 equals to XXXIX. 37 equals to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals to XXXVII. B. According to this pattern, numbers higher than number 40 are also formed. 43 equals to 50 minus 10 plus 1 plus 1 equals to XLII. 56 equals 50 plus 5 plus 1 equals LVI. 59 equals 100 plus 50 plus 10 minus 1. CLIX 1238 equals 1000 plus 100 plus 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to MCCXXXVIII. Rule number 5. If a horizontal line is drawn over the symbols or digits of Roman numerals, then the value of the numerals become 1000 times as XV equals 15 but XV equals to 15,000. CL equals to 155 but CLV equals to 15,000. 1,55,000. Write the Roman numerals for the following numbers. 13 equals to XII, 14 equals to XIV, 18 equals to XVIII, 26 equals to XXVI, 39 equals to XXXIX, 42 equals to XLII, 62 equals to LXI, 545 equals to DXLV, 217 equals CCXVII. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.